The Nissan Leaf has been designed to be as efficient as possible, and it's worth noting the various drive modes that are available to you. First, start your Leaf by depressing the brake pedal and pressing the start button. With the brake pedal fully depressed, slide the shift lever forward and release it to reverse. To drive, pull the shift lever back and release. Eco mode limits the motor's output, so you can go further on a single charge. It also slightly increases the amount of regenerative braking to help improve your range as much as 10%. To turn on Eco mode, push the Eco mode switch located near the shift lever. As a complement to Eco mode, you can also activate B mode. This delivers the most aggressive brake regeneration, which helps charge the battery and maximize your range. To go into B mode, slide the lever to the left and down, but make sure you hold it. To go into neutral, slide the shift lever to the left and hold it until the Leaf goes into neutral. To put your Leaf in park, press the park button located on the top of your shifter. To apply the parking brake, pull the P button on the center console. Thanks for watching. Check out our channel for other quick and easy Nissan Leaf tips and tutorials.